From Dr. D.C. Tirupati Rao, consultant physician from Karimnagar. On the occasion of World Heart Day, I would like to share some important information regarding heart attack. As you know, heart attacks are increasing day by day. In India, about 30 lakh people are suffering with heart attack every year, out of which 15% of heart attacks are occurring in people age less than 40 years. That means heart attacks are occurring at younger age. Sudden death due to heart attacks in any family, particularly of an earning member, is a devastating effect and a huge loss and huge burden on entire family. So heart attack is a preventable disease. This we should understand. How to prevent heart attack? For that we should know what are the reasons for heart attack. The reasons are high BP, high sugar, high cholesterol, obesity, that is heavy weight, overweight, and smoking. These 5 reasons play very important role in the incidence of heart attack. So we have to control these risk factors. So high BP, high sugar, and high cholesterol can be controlled. One, by early diagnosis. They should be diagnosed as early as possible, and they should be properly controlled with diet, exercise, and drugs, that's medicines, with regular visits to the doctor. As far as overweight is concerned, weight reduction is very important. This can be done by exercise and as well as dieting. Smoking should be stopped at any cost, and alcohol should be taken in moderation. Those people who are already taking, they should be advised to take in limited amount. Now, healthy lifestyle is very important for the prevention of heart attacks. Healthy lifestyle includes healthy diet, exercise, sound sleep. Healthy diet includes plenty of vegetables, plenty of fruits and dry fruits. Dry fruits like nuts also we should take. Resins, cashew, almonds are very useful. As far as diet is concerned, unfortunately in South India, we consume a lot of carbohydrates, that is lot of white rice. White rice should be decreased. You should take white rice in limited amount, and proteins of plant origin like legumes, pulses, like these things. And of course, non-vegetarian food also can be taken in the form of eggs and fish and lean meat. When it comes to exercise, unfortunately in India, majority of people are physically inactive. So we should encourage physical activeness, physical exercise in the form of walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, at least 30 minutes in a day, 5 days in a week. Finally, peaceful life is also important. In this highly competitive world, one should habituate for the peaceful life. Social relations with the society and family are also important. We should spend more and more amount of time with our families, particularly our parents. We should take care of our parents very well, and we should help our relatives, and we should not forget about our friends. We should spend more time with our friends also. We should not forget 5 principles. Those are eat less, walk more, sleep well, laugh loud, and love others without any limitations. Finally, heart attack is a devastating disease and it is a preventable disease. It can be prevented with proper control of high sugar, high cholesterol, high BP, and stop smoking. Thank you very much.